An octopus is known for the tentacles with countless suction cups. But did you know you can eat a whole octopus, not only just the legs? A whole octopus is pretty much edible and you don't have to waste any. The octopus head is also the tasty part, but because of its ugly structure, it may not be suitable for sushi. This video introduces you Suno-Mono, the vinegared salad, one of the traditional recipe of a popular appetizer. Prepare the boiled octopus head. There is another video tutorial focusing on how to boil an octopus. Please refer to it for more step-by-step instructions. Cut open the bag-like structure, peel off the skin and dice cut into a bite size. Squeeze them to drain out the water. Prepare Japanese cucumber or English cucumber. US cucumber can also be used, but if that's the case, better to peel the skin since it's harder and affects the texture. For the small size cucumber, you can just round slice. As for the larger size, cut in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds. This step is to minimize the moisture retention. For a preliminary procedure, dehydrate the cucumber prior to pickling in the vinegar. Since cucumber contains high amount of moisture, if you skip this step, the water comes out of the vegetable and will dilute the seasoning. Put a sliced cucumbers into a bowl, sprinkle a half teaspoon of salt for 1 piece of English cucumber, and mix them thoroughly. Let them stand for 5 minutes to extract the water, then squeeze them to completely drain. If they get too salty, you can rinse them off with fresh water and drain out once again. Prepare a pinch of dried seaweed by rehydrating in water and drain out. Now let's make the pickling sauce. You may find some basic recipes on the internet or in the cooking books, using rice vinegar and sugar at 2:1 ratio. But if you have the ginger curry at hand, utilizing its marinated sauce would be a great idea to make it more unique and flavorful. If this is the case, just omit sugar since it's already contained in the curry vinegar. Drain out the marinated sauce into a bowl up to 70% to submerge the ingredients. Add rice vinegar to nearly 30%. Pour mirin, the sweet rice wine, just to flavor. You can also use some dashi or bonito soup stock for your preference. Add the seaweed and a pinch of sesame seeds and mix them evenly. Let them rest in the fridge for about an hour to soak the flavor, and ready to go.